Good morning, Honors Geometry guys. It's Mr. Jeffers coming at you. Don't forget, hit like and subscribe at the bell. Now, today is our last day of review for your test tomorrow. Okay? So, again, if you weren't here Friday for whatever reason, all that information is in Schoology, including the example orange sheet. Okay? Your orange sheet has to be handwritten, not photocopied, not typed up, printed out, nothing like that. Okay? Do you have to have an orange sheet? No. Okay. So, vocabulary. A blank is basically a location. Point. Number 2, a blank is a fancy word for rule. Postulate. Okay. A blank, the midpoint blanks a line. Yep. So, all right. Any questions on part 1? Okay. So, let's see if we can. Oh, nope, not that one. Yep, that one. Okay. All right. Now, part 2. All right. It says all of this equals 33. So, again, something I might have on my orange sheet is that on part 2, you're going to add those things together. Okay? Because it even says so in the, directions. All right, so we got 3x, 3x, and 1x. Looks like 7x. All right, negative 28, negative 30. Looks like negative 58. All right, equals 33. Add 58. Add 58. So 7x equals, what is that? 33 plus 58. 33 plus 58. All right, 91. All right. So, that's 13. It says DE, which is this one. It says 3 times 13. Oh, what is going on with my pen today? Minus 28. Apparently I'm writing numbers in cursive. So 3 times 13 minus 28. All right, so that would be 11. And then this one, 3 times 13 minus 30. Okay. Well, 3 times 13 minus 30. All right, so this should be 9. Okay, now if we add up 13, 11, and 9, we should get 33. Now, unfortunately, as of right now, I think that's the only one I could find like that I liked. Might have another problem where you don't have to draw it. Who knows? All right. Any big issues on number 4? Okay. Now, I didn't catch anybody that had this doing this today. No, it says put required information into spaces. So this is where your equation should go. Okay, not over here, not up here. Okay, at least tell me you know how to set it up. Okay. So A, B, C. All right. So now this AB is 2x minus 1. This is 9. This whole thing is 4x. Okay? Gross. It's 9 equals 4x. So this is 8, 2x, 4x. Yeah. All right, so 8 equals 2x. 2 divided by 2. All right, so did y'all get -4 or +4? Good. All right, so AB, 2 times 4 minus 1, it should be 7. Okay. And that would mean that AC would be 16. Yeah, let me do this. Nope, not that. Minus 2x. Yes, your magnets stick on the magnetic whiteboard. Okay. All right. So that was number 5. Number 6, midpoint. Well, that was actually part of our vocab. All right. In these drawings, like that's the least I'm requiring. I didn't color code it on the last one. Like, if you were to actually do this, what is going on with my pencil? If you were to do what I did in pink, I'm not grading that, okay? Just asking for the drawing. Equals -36. All right, so x is 4. So 14 times 4. Wow. Minus 2. So 4 times 4 is 2. All right, so we get 54. This should be 108. All right. Now, stuff from Friday was like the example orange sheet. Okay. Tomorrow during the test, if you have questions, you actually have to bring your orange sheet with you when you ask a question. All right. So, don't forget, hit like, subscribe to the bell, leave a nice comment. Good stuff, good things. Roll Tide.